The natural world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. We are just one species in a vast interconnected web of life. Nature's beauty is not just for us to marvel at, it's our responsibility to protect it. Every living creature has a role to play in the grand tapestry of life. The more we learn about nature, the more we realize how little we know. Our planet's future is in our hands, and the choices we make today will shape tomorrow. The diversity of life on Earth is both its strength and its vulnerability. A world without nature is a world without life. Nature has a language, and it's our duty to learn it. The key to conservation is understanding and appreciation. The oceans are the lifeblood of our planet. Their health is our responsibility. The wonder of nature is not in its uniformity, but in its diversity. Conservation is not just a choice, it's a necessity. The beauty of the natural world is a gift that each generation should cherish and protect. Through nature, every species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Our planet's story is written in the rocks, the oceans, and the creatures that inhabit them. To understand the present, we must first understand the past. The more we explore, the more we realize how intricately connected all life is. Nature is not a resource to be exploited. It is a legacy to be passed on. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. In the face of environmental challenges, education is our most powerful tool. The complexity of nature is a testament to the brilliance of evolution. The real voyage of discovery lies not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes for the familiar. Conservation is not a luxury, but a vital investment in our shared future. We are all part of the intricate dance of life, and every step we take has an impact.